Okay, so I myself am a huge fan of hat collections. I have a lot of hats, and as you guys know, when you have too much hats, then everything becomes cluttered and disorganized. And this right over here that I have is the number one solution when you have a lot of hats and you want to keep it all into one place. This is line up your hats, and you could keep all your hats into one place. And we are going to do a unboxing and review, and we are going to test this product out to see whether or not if this line up your hats is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got the package unboxed, and you get the rack itself here too to store your hats, and you can see how beautiful this looks like. It looks absolutely high quality, and there's two ways to install this now. You have two ways, which is number one, the adhesive. Now you can use the adhesive for different types of purposes as well too. So if you have like any metal, you can stick it on that. But if you are going to stick this onto your wall, like as you guys know, if you have like a room and you want to stick on your wall, then my best recommendation is that we're going to use the screws itself here too. There you see these two screws, that one sticks up right over here, the other one goes over right over here, and then that should be the installation process. And what we're going to do now is that we are going to go to my room and we are going to install this and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this right over here is the finished results. You can see I have one screw right over there. The other one goes on the bottom. And I have a total of 4 hats total. Now, you can fit up to 10 hats total. You can see how many, more slots I have to fit plenty of more hats. Now, I do want to say for the installation process, you have two methods, like I told you guys before, a self-adhesive and then a screw method, which I did. And for the self-adhesive, if you're going to go for that route, you're going to have to stick that on a glass, a wood, a metal, or a marble. But if you're going to use the screw method, then you're going to use the brick, a painted wall, or a drywall like this one, or a wallpaper. But yeah, other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it keeps your entire home organized. You can have all your hats into one place, and you don't have to have your hats scattered anymore like, if you didn't have this product. And now I feel like I have a lot of more space and room in my room as well too. And it keeps everything organized, and that's something that's very important to have, especially for your home. Keep everything all into one place. And yeah, if you're looking for a product to, keep everything organized and you have a lot of hats, a collection, and you want to keep everything into one place, then I would definitely recommend this product.